Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is what's inside my Coach City Tote. This is Mom and Daughter Talks, and I will show you my work bag. This Coach work bag comes in the signature brown and black canvas, which is durable and lightweight. So this is the dimension of this bag, 13 by 11 by 6 inches. So it comes with a Coach leather tag, and also the Coach brand is found in front in gold hardware. The bag handle drop is 9.5 inches, and inside you can see the same Coach brand in gold hardware. Now let's have a quick view of what's inside my bag. So if you open my bag, it's really full to the brim. It holds my 13-inch laptop and all my small pouches, which contains my pens, chargers, computer accessories, and an echo bag. I also have a small nylon lightweight bag organizer that holds the small items inside. So these are all the stuff inside my bag. I have another way of organizing all this by using this red bag organizer. However, I only use this when I'm not bringing my computer and only just my tablet, because it is the exact size of my bag. So there's no more space for the computer inside if I'm using this organizer. So let's look inside this bag. It opens and closes with a magnetic closure, and as you can see, it's just one big compartment. It is unlined. It is made up of the same canvas in black. It has a zip back pocket. And at the bottom, there's no feet. So this bag is actually very slouchy. So when I store it, I put or stuff a pillow, a baby pillows, to retain the shape and to smooth out the creases of the bag. So this is my Coach City Tote bag. If you like this kind of videos, please click the like button and the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!